Today I'm going to give you a little behind the scenes tour of where I've been shooting the A4Q episodes. The studio's still not done yet, so I've been shooting here at my editing desk. So let's take a look at my setup. Let's turn some lights on. I have these fairy lights here, overhead light, key light, backlight. Actually, key light's not on. So this is the basic setup. Alexa, turn the lights on.
Okay.
And I usually have my monitor speakers on also. So I have most of the stuff set up on this little power strip. It's just a bunch of switches. Just cleans everything up. I usually try to keep all the cords wrapped up, but since I'm temporarily doing this, we'll do that. So here is where I shoot. I stand right here. Hello, welcome to A4Q, except I'm really dark in the side. So normally what I'll do is I'll take this reflector board and I'll put it right there. And it's a little brighter than normal because I usually have a piece of diffusion hanging up right here. Here, let's step back so you can see it. So the wiring at the bottom is all temporary. I have my camera mounted on the wall, little monitor up above it. And then I have this mic I pull out and I put it just out of frame, so it's about a foot from me right here. Here's the little mic. The arm goes right into the camera. The whole idea for this show is to make it simple so I can have a fast turnaround. I don't do a whole lot of post-production stuff on this particular show. This isn't my main content, this is just the Q&A part of it. I was gonna wait till March to launch the channel, but I thought, you know, I got all the setup stuff, I might as well just at least do some A4Q stuff while I get geared up and finish the studio, which will be awesome to have an actual studio to shoot in. So here's my basic setup right here. Mic right into the camera. This is all temporary. When I figure out the power stuff, I'll either install an outlet like right here next to the camera, or I'll have one line coming down, make it nice and clean. My key light is right here, and that is hanging from the ceiling. I have a pigeon plate or a wall plate right there. I have one right there. I just happen to have an outlet in the ceiling there. And then I've got this bar. Let me just climb up here. I've got this little bar. I have all my wires on there and just this little 1x LED panel, and I got it turned down to about 1/3 of the power. Normally on this plate right here, I have a piece of diffusion hanging right here, and it's just a shower curtain. So that's the basic setup. Let's take a look at the lights. Normally I'll have this pot right here, and I have a little light right here. It's not very bright, it's just giving me a little highlight on this pot. Monitor with my logo, and then this is my audio interface. It's Focusrite. I kind of cut into here and added a bunch of USB ports. This is where all my switches are. That's my Alexa dealie. I just had that sitting up there right now. And then camera right there. This light shines on this camera, and there's another light back behind there that just shines on the wall. I just have a little old Sony, I shot a feature film on that camera, like a $200 little camera. Let's see. So a lot of this, like this is probably permanent, this setup here. I got a clamp here just so I can hang my headphones. It's a cheap, like IKEA stand-up desk. I can crank it down. I kind of go between cranking it up, cranking it down. And then the monitors. Oh, I have the light that is going around my shoulders right here. You can see it's highlighting my hair and my edges of my shoulders. That is right up there. I would show you that, but that's a DIY project that I built about a year ago that I love. The thing is so awesome. I'm so happy with that. It's like one of the easiest things to build, and I use it all the time. I have taken it off of here and used it on shoots. It's super handy. It's tiny. It is super effective. I can't wait to show you guys that light. Okay. Do you have any questions about specific things in here? Leave them in the comments below. I would love to fill you in on some of the details if you guys and gals are curious. That's all I have for today. Love y'all. See you next time. There's my little baby girl.
Huh, baby girl? Look at you. You're just so spoiled, aren't you? You're just so spoiled.
And then out the window we got a drift car, we've got a daily, my truck, another drift car project we're working on, and then the other drift cars are in the back.